Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on luggage. First, assess the damage to your zipper. Is it just a stuck slider, or are the teeth misaligned? You'll need basic tools like small pliers, a lubricant such as graphite, and possibly a new zipper pull. Understanding the problem helps you choose the right repair method, saving you time and effort. If your zipper is stuck, start by applying a small amount of lubricant directly onto the teeth. Graphite from a pencil or a bit of wax works well. Then, gently try to move the slider back and forth. If teeth are bent, use small pliers to carefully straighten them. This often resolves minor sticking issues and gets your luggage zipper moving smoothly again. When the slider itself is broken, you'll need to replace it. First, locate and remove the metal zipper stop at one end of the zipper track using pliers. Carefully slide the old, broken slider off the teeth. Then, thread on your new, matching slider, ensuring it faces the correct direction. Finally, reattach the zipper stop firmly with pliers to secure the new slider in place. Sometimes, a zipper is beyond simple repair, especially if many teeth are missing or the fabric tape is torn. In these cases, a full zipper replacement might be necessary, which can be a more involved process. If you're not comfortable tackling complex repairs yourself, consider taking your luggage to a professional. They have the right tools and expertise. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.